Desktop preferences can be used to change the theme of your desktop. Navigate to Tools and Preferences. Here you can change the theme. The default is set to dark, but you can change that to white or light. An example of the white theme can be seen on screen. An example of the light theme can now be seen on screen. Theme changes affect the view of the banner menu and form backgrounds. They do not affect workspaces. If you change the theme, you will be notified that your selected theme will take effect when the application is restarted. The desktop list row spacing is set to normal as default, but can be changed to narrow or wide. The Reset Desktop settings reset the desktop to the default values. Select the option and select Yes to reset all the form sizes and associated controls to their defaults. Select the option against Disable Notifications to stop receiving save and delete notifications when you are working in Sage 200.